the way, this 24-minute download crap for a 3-minute, not even long video is absolutely ridiculous. I figured since it's such a beautiful day outside that I would talk about New Year's resolutions and about how pretty the snow is today. New Year's resolutions. Well, this year I want to lose all my weight, go through my Shea Loss program, and go to school. I really want to go to school in March. Cosmetology is really my thing, and by, 2012 I want to go to business management school and open a business. And moving to New York was a major part of that. So going to school, maybe getting my license, and losing the weight. Those are my New Year's resolutions. What are your New Year's resolutions? You can post a video response below. Happy New Year, guys. I love New York in the winter. Hey guys, I just wanted to wish you all a safe, happy, and healthy New Year, especially my family, and I hope everybody keeps their New Year's resolutions. Happy 2010, guys.